Everyone thinks the best-selling mini exercise bikes are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Rigeo Mini Exercise Bike. The Rigeo Pedal Exerciser is designed for both leg and arm recovery exercises. Priced at just $26.09, it really caught my attention for its portability and lightweight design. If you want a simple solution for low-intensity workouts, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This mini bike has 5 adjustable resistance levels, helping you gradually increase your workout intensity without overwhelming yourself. Plus, it's compact enough that you can easily slide it under your desk while you work or watch TV. With over 2,000 units sold last month, it seems like many are finding it useful for gentle exercise or recovery after surgery. Now, some people complained about the stability, especially during intense pedaling. Here's the thing though, it's primarily designed for low-impact workouts, so if you're looking for a hardcore cycling experience, this might not be your answer. But for gentle movements, it's perfect. This is perfect for you if you're recovering from an injury or just want to get some light exercise in while at your desk. Skip this one if you're looking for something more intense. For the price, you really can't go wrong. Now, if the lightweight design of the Rigeo concerned you, the next bike might offer a bit more stability. Product number 2, Vaughn Under Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser, retailing at $33.99. It caught my eye with its wider base for stability and a sleek design. If you want something that feels sturdy while you're pedaling away, this is definitely worth considering. What's great about this model is that it's designed to fit seamlessly under your desk with its lower height. This means you can use it as an arm exerciser on your desk or as a leg exerciser tucked away while you work. The adjustable tension knob is a nice touch too, allowing you to control the resistance based on your fitness level. With similar sales numbers around 2,000 in the last month, there's clearly a demand for its reliable performance. Now, some users have mentioned it can be a bit heavy to move around, but I'll be real with you. If you plan to keep it under your desk, that stability is a bonus, and you probably won't need to relocate it often. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid option that can handle some real use without tipping over. Skip this one if you want something super lightweight. Considering the features, it's a fair deal for the price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, AGM Mini Exercise Bike. The AGM Mini Exercise Bike priced at $44.99. This one's a bit heavier, but offers some impressive features. If you want a bike that gives you a bit more data on your workout, this could be the one for you. The AGM bike includes a multifunctional LCD display to track your time, speed, distance, and calories burned. Plus, it's designed for both arm and leg workouts, which is perfect if you want to switch it up. The adjustable foot straps are a great feature too, keeping your feet secure while you pedal. With over 800 units sold recently, it seems to be resonating with buyers looking for a more comprehensive exercise tool. However, a few users did mention that it can feel a bit rough during use, especially if the resistance is too high. Here's the thing though, adjusting the resistance to a lower level usually solves that problem, so it's really about finding your sweet spot. This is perfect for you if you want a bike that tracks your progress and works well for both arms and legs. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler, no-frills design. For the features you get, it's a solid investment. Now, if the AGM's weightiness was a concern for portability, the next option might surprise you with its convenience. Product number 4, Himlay Mini Exercise Bike. Priced at $48.99. This one really caught my attention for its blend of features and portability. If you want a bike that you can easily set up anywhere, this is a solid pick. This pedal exerciser offers adjustable resistance levels and a digital LCD display that shows your time, count, calories, and distance. Its compact size makes it easy to move around, and it even has a non-slip pedal design that keeps you secure while working out. With 700 sold last month, it's clear that many are enjoying its balance of performance and usability. That said, some users did find the assembly a bit tricky at first, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward and worth the effort for the quality of the workout you get. This is perfect for you if you want something that's easy to set up and use, especially if you're short on space. Skip this one if you want a high-end, gym quality feel. For the features it offers, it represents good value. Now, if assembly was a concern, wait until you hear about the next product that emphasizes ease of use. Product number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Under Desk Bike, which is priced at $69.99.
What's intriguing about this bike is its focus on low-impact, seamless workouts. If effortless exercise is your goal, this one might be just what you need. This bike is designed for smooth, silent pedaling thanks to its meshed belt drive system. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around, and it has a digital monitor for tracking your speed, time, distance, and calories burned. With around 600 units sold recently, it's gaining traction among those who want to integrate fitness into their daily routines without the noise. However, a few users mentioned that it might not provide enough resistance for more serious workouts. But here's the thing. If you're looking for something to help you stay active without the strain, this is exactly what you want, and it's perfect for beginners. This is perfect for you if you want a quiet, low-impact exercise option for home or office. Skip this one if you're an advanced user looking for a challenging workout. For what it offers, it's a worthwhile investment for maintaining activity.
So there you have it. The RYGO for budget-friendly simplicity, the Vaughn for stability, the AGM for data tracking, the Himlay for portability, and the Sunny Health and Fitness for effortless exercise. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.